But at the same time, the chip market is hard, and we're seeing that not just with Intel, but with a little company called NVIDIA that we've talked about once or twice. They just came out saying that their Blackwell chips are going to be delayed due to design flaws, and as you are probably noticing in your stock market portfolio, everybody everybody just responded to that. The Taiwanese stock market cratered on that announcement, and then everybody else kind of followed suit as the global stock market does. So it is hard to escape that announcement of what seems at first to be a relatively minor announcement of a delay in chip launch ends up being this global issue, which kind of speaks to how overheated the talk about AI is right now.
Yeah, I think it speaks more to how much was already priced into the NVIDIA stock price and how much has been a focus on that. I do think it's interesting going back to Intel for a second. I think their opportunity is the fact that, as we've talked about, I think we're going to see a reset AI overall in the efficiency and the productivity, as everyone is recognized they need to reduce power consumption and reduce or increase performance and throughput. And I think that may create an opportunity. I think we're already seeing it. AMD has made some moves recently around this, where Intel may not have to catch up, so to speak, with NVIDIA, and their most advanced chips to find a market, and that could provide an opening. So yeah, I think it's an interesting space. If I put my CIO hat on, I think I look at this with interest, and the big takeaways we talked about: chips do matter, so be paying attention. I also think while I think this was a gross overreaction to the NVIDIA news, I do think it should be a clear sign if you're a CIO that you should be hedging your bet and looking to diversify, whether that's Intel, whether that's AMD, but having a few chips, so to speak, in multiple baskets is not a bad idea.
Yes, an AI chip supply will continue to be constrained for the near future. It's still going to be hard to get your hands on those, and we're going to see some interesting things happening with those companies that have been pooling and hoarding these chips, whether it be Meta or Tesla or Google or what have you.
Yeah, I forgot. I heard in that same report, Microsoft, I forgot, was it number 180,000 of them? I think they were, these staggering numbers.